Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this baby blanket. I made this blanket for my daughter who's due any time now, and I can't wait. I can't wait to wrap her up in it. So I have done row 2 3 times. That's row 2 the first time, the second time, and the third time. I'm going to be doing stripes. So I'm going to do 4 stripes of purple, since I have the most purple, and then 2 stripes of pink, and make a stripped blanket. So I wanted to show you guys how I change colors. So I have my hook in here, and since I'm going to put a border on it, I'm not going to worry about the edging. So all I'm going to do is use the new color to chain 2. Now since I want to go back to this color, I'm going to drape it up and around like this so it gets caught in here. And then I'm simply going to repeat round 2 with the new color. So now I finished 1 row of pink, so I'm just going to do the same thing. Chain 2. And turn. And double crochet all the way back down. And then I'll switch back to purple. So I have 1 more double crochet here until I switch colors again. So what I'm going to do is when I go into the stitch, let's see, that's the tail. There's so many threads here. Pull up, do the double crochet. I'm going to wrap this yarn up too, to pull it up. So just twist it with this, with your working yarn. And then chain 2 with the new color, and turn. So now I'm switching back to doing 4 rows of purple here, and I'm going to run up the second color every other row. to keep it so I don't have to break the yarn and weave in all the ends. And now I'm going to do 4 rows of the purple. And that's really all you're going to do to alternate the colors. You want to do the double crochet repeats until it measures 27 inches along this side. I'm going to end on a purple row, so as long as it's between like 25 to 28 inches, because the purple row is kind of thick, so it won't be exact, but that's what I'm going to do.